You downloaded a shady file from the internet, double-clicked it, and boom! Your computer is officially a hostage. A computer virus isn't digital black magic created by a movie hacker in a dark hoodie. It's literally just a regular piece of code, like a calculator app or a video game, written by a loser with terrible intentions and way too much free time. But to understand how it ruins your life, you need to see the exact step-by-step nightmare happening inside your machine. It all starts with step one, the bait. A virus can't just magically, telepathically jump into your computer through thin air. It needs a ride. So the creator hides it inside something you actually want. A pirated game installer, a fake PDF invoice, or a sketchy movie download. The second you double-click that file, you hand over the keys to the castle. Your computer's processor is a completely dumb machine. It doesn't know if code is good or evil. It just blindly executes whatever instructions you give it. By clicking open, you officially gave the virus permission to run.
Next comes step 2, the stealth mission. The very first thing a smart virus does isn't blowing up your screen with red skulls. It wants to stay invisible. It instantly injects its own malicious code into clean, legitimate system processes that are already running silently in the background, like Windows Explorer or your audio driver. That way, if you open your task manager to see what's slowing down your PC, everything looks totally normal. Then comes step 3, the permanent lock-in. A virus knows that if you restart your computer, its temporary code in the RAM memory will get wiped clean. So it immediately digs into your system's startup registry files. It writes a secret rule telling your computer, hey, every single time this machine turns on, run my code first before opening a single app. Now, even if you turn your PC off and on 100 times, the virus wakes up before you do. Now comes step 4, the real attack. Once the virus is permanently rooted in your system, it executes whatever specific evil job it was built for. And this is where computer viruses split into different deadly types. If it's a classic infector, it acts like a biological flu, copying its own code into every single .exe file and folder on your hard drive until your entire operating system turns into a corrupted mess. If it's a keylogger or spyware, it sits quietly in the dark, recording every single letter you type on your keyboard. Every password, every credit card number, and every private message is instantly packed up and sent to a server on the other side of the world. If it's ransomware, the absolute worst nightmare of all, it goes through your hard drive and scrambles all your personal photos, family videos, and work documents with unbreakable military-grade math. Then it pops up a terrifying timer, demanding $300 in Bitcoin to give you the decryption key.
And if it's a botnet zombie, your computer keeps running completely fine on the surface, but in the background, a hacker is using your processor power alongside millions of other infected PCs to crash major government websites without you ever knowing. The ultimate, dumbest truth about computer viruses is that they almost never break through high-tech digital shields like a ninja. 9 times out of 10, there is no master hacker bypassing your firewall. You are the one who opened the door, invited the thief inside, served him coffee, and clicked run as administrator.